You want some gangsters, start your motherfucking house. We'll set this bitch off. Yeah, set this bitch off. We'll set this bitch off. Set this bitch off. Let's get these niggas mind right. They call me badass, and I'll punish you. You ain't my equal, we ain't people. I ain't one of you. Since 98, I grabbed my plate up off the lunch table. I told mama I'm thugging outside, we don't need cable. Now I'm the nipples on the titty, I'm the motor car, the Hemi. I'm the V12 and that 760. You niggas bitches. Real niggas with G-codes, we love to go in beast mode.
Okay, y'all, I be trying to be aesthetically pleasing for y'all, but that neck mount gets on my damn nerves, okay? I would say it's only good for bike riding, but it ain't even good for that, okay? It just get in my way. I can't even see what's going on with it. Anyway, this is kind of like a vegetable and shrimp curry, heavy on the vegetable, okay? I added tomato in there. I don't know if curry normally comes with tomato. I eat it so fast. I just did it. I did my own thing, okay? It's now 11 o'clock at night, a little bit after 11. I still hadn't worked out, y'all. It's Sunday. I'm about to go up in and do a little something. That's why I'm talking real fast. I'm gonna do a 15-minute workout, call it a night, okay? I'm gonna have to wash my ass. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna put a lid on this, let it come to a rolling boil. When it comes to a rolling boil, I'm gonna put the shrimp and the bell pepper, onion, cilantro mix that I already sauteed up in that thing, and then I'll show it to y'all. Other than that, I gotta go.
Shrimp entertainment, that's my thug style. It's love, yeah.
Okay, y'all, listen, I be trying relatively hard to get to bed before midnight on Sunday, and it almost never happens, okay? But I think everything is seasoned well enough. I have not tasted it yet. And what had happened was I left it on low, but for whatever reason it kept cooking like it was on high. So while I was doing my little quick 15-minute workout or whatever, this thing was still in here boiling and I ain't even much know it. But at least the cauliflower is gonna be nice and tender. I'm glad I did not put the shrimp and the bell pepper in it first, because I would have been in trouble. Okay, so now the shrimp and the bell pepper, get out of there. The shrimp and the bell pepper had done cooled down while I was doing what I was doing, right? But I mean, it would have been good to cook it in the sauce, but this is gonna be my work meal prep. So it's gonna the seasoning gonna penetrate it anyways. What I'm trying to say, my brain is fried right now. Okay, so I just did a little 15-minute workout trying to figure out what the hell Mr. London had us doing, child. But I figured since I don't do no ab workouts at all, I might as well go ahead and give it a whirl, and that's exactly what I did. So I already tasted one of the shrimp outside of the pot, and the shrimp was shrimp, baby. But you know I can't ever go wrong with shrimp. But unless I cook it too long. But yeah, so that's it. That's the meal. That's all. Just wrap. Meal prep Sunday night. The usual. Couldn't really get a workout in, but this would have been day 3 anyway. So it's fine that it wasn't like horrible. I didn't do no cardio, not a damn cardio. Didn't even stretch right last night or tonight. But I got it done. Accountability, right? Because I said I was starting again, starting fresh. But I don't never really quit. I just be taking long ass breaks. Okay, bye.